Well, hey guys, how's it going? This is the RealAcc X210 frame. This is the Sharpoo copy. I put it together. I did a bit of a made-in today, so I'm just going to go over some of the parts and things that I used with this copter and some of my thoughts about how it went together and everything. As far as the parts that I'm using real quickly, I have the Racer Star 2205 2300 kV motors. I might be changing these, and I'll get to that in just a moment. 30 amp ESCs from Racer Star as well. These are the V2 that run BL Heli S. Right now I've got the King Kong props on there. This is a 5x4 5x3. During the maiden I was using a 4.0 prop, so I decided I didn't quite like these. They didn't have quite enough punch, so I decided to negate those ones. I'll try these later this afternoon. Running the Eachine ET526 that you guys could see a video that I just produced on that up in the upper right hand corner right here. This is the very first time I've ever used a FR Sky X4R receiver. Now I have used my Tyrannus, my new Tyrannus, with the Shuriken, which had a built-in receiver. This is the first time I've ever wired up one. It was real simple. I just had to go online and find out a few things about it. But pretty simple to install. It's a little bit big. I've got these pins sticking out. I would have liked to de-pin this and get it soldered up instead of having these pins sticking out, just making it look a little bit cleaner. The SP Racing F3 board, I've been using these for a while. I like them a lot. Runcam Swift, really nice camera. I like the ability to put my name in the camera there, and it has really good light handling characteristics. Pretty nice. This TBS Triumph Antenna. Now I've never used these before. I'm using one on my goggles and with my diversity setup, and I like them that they're very sturdy. Unfortunately I haven't plugged directly into my VTX, so I'm thinking if I hit this thing, and this thing is so stiff and strong that it might crack my PCB back here. So even though I like these, I'm not sure about them yet. I may have to run like a 90-degree elbow and then a pigtail so that this is not going to break my VTX, which would be really sad. Anyway, so I may actually change these motors. These just came into the office here. These are the Race Edition DYS motors. These are 2205, 2250 kV, so a little higher kV, which might be a nice thing for this copter because it's carrying a little bit more wingspan. What I like about these, a couple of things right off the bat. A bolt here instead of a circlip. The solderable pads here for your motor wires. And look at these windings, guys. Let me just focus in real quick. Look at these windings. Amazing. So a little bit higher gauge wire for the windings and just perfectly done. And the last thing, of course, is this hollow shaft. I'm not sure if you guys know this, but the hollow shafts are much stronger than a standard one-piece shaft. So, other things. So anyway, today I was rocking this SMC True Spec Extreme. This is a 1400 milliamp battery pack, and they don't state the max C rating on it, but that has 45 amps consistent. So what they do is they say, well, this is just the true spec on these, not some highly inflated rate. But great little pack. There's almost no weight penalty for the extra 100 milliamp on there. I'm going to be testing these on this copter as well. The Infinity Graphene batteries from Banggood. Now these had a really good rating on Josh Bardwell's battery test. Not the highest performer, but definitely not the lowest. But cost per milliamp and performance, these came out really high. So these are graphene. 1500 milliamp, 14.8 volt cell. So we shall get these on the copter very soon, and we'll do some testing on those. So anyway, guys, thanks for joining my channel. If you have any questions about this, let me know. I decided not to do a full build video because it was just time prohibitive for me. So sorry about that, and we'll talk to you guys coming up pretty soon. Bye.